Dear doctors and students, I am Dr. Mansoor Ali, Professor, Government Homeopathy Medical College, Calicut, Kerala. Welcome to part 2 of analyzing symptoms and selecting the rubrics. We are thankful to your comments and suggestions on the part 1 of analyzing symptoms and selecting the rubrics. We will definitely include your suggestions in the forthcoming sessions. And I am sure this work will definitely help the new generation doctors, practitioners, and the students. This work is based on the homeopathic repertories of Kent, Synthesis, Murphy, and Complete Repertory. Translating symptoms into rubrics. How to find out the appropriate rubrics during case taking itself. Today we will discuss some interesting rubrics and some interesting clinical situations. Cannot tell anything to her. She will feel hurt and will cry soon. How you will work out this rubric? How you will convert this clinical situation into a rubric? Cannot tell anything to her. She feel hurt and will cry soon. So for this type of personalities, we have to take the rubric offended easily. The rubric is there in Kent's repertory itself. Mind offended easily. Doctor, I have many children, but no use. None of them cares me. I have many children, but no use. None of them cares me. So how you will work out? This rubric may be useful for the inmates in the old age homes and also for the children in orphanages. I have many children, but no use. None of them cares me. So the rubric in this case, forsaken feeling. Forsaken feeling. I am working with her since a long time, but she has never asked anything about me, my residence, or my kids. Which rubric will work out for this colleague? I am working with her since a long time, but she has never asked anything about me, my residence, or my kids. No personal talk. The rubric, aloof. This rubric is available in Synthesis repertory. Aloof, keeping away from personal relations, social distancing. I need not take care of my house or kids. My wife will look after everything. I am not at all taking care of my house or kids. My wife will look after everything. So which rubric will work out for this person? This is a type of indifference towards the family. The rubric is apathy. Apathy. This rubric is there in Synthesis repertory. He has everything orderly in the life. Everything in an order, in a proper manner. So which rubric will work out for this personality? Rubric proper 2. He has everything orderly in the life. Proper 2. I have increased sexual desire when I am drunk. And only during drunkenness I have this type of sexual desires. So that's why I am drinking. Can you give the rubric for this condition? So the male chapter, sexual desire increased, drunkenness during. Only at that time he has sexual desire. Sexual desire increased, drunkenness during. I like to be physically hurt by my husband during sexual intercourse. Which rubric will work out for this personality? I like to be physically hurt by my husband during sexual intercourse. So that's a condition, masochism. The rubric, masochism. When my husband comes home drunk, he behaves cruelly. Husband always behaving cruelly when he comes home drunk. So the rubric brutality, drunkenness during. Brutality, drunkenness during. When I am drunk, I feel more intelligent and I can do many works together, or I can do my works better. When I am drunk, I feel more intelligent and I can do my works better. So the rubric mind intelligent, drunkenness, more intelligent during drunkenness. More intelligent during drunkenness. I am happy that my friend lost his job. I am happy that my friend lost his job. Two rubrics are there. One sadism, second one envy, happy seeing other people. Envy, happy seeing other people. I cannot bear my husband speaking to other women. Some ladies are so much irritable and angry whenever they see their husband speaking to another woman. So how you will work out this condition? The rubric is possessiveness and the main remedy is pulsatilla as mentioned in synthesis repertory. Possessiveness. He is always playing with his mobile, spend times for that only. My child always spending time to play with his mobile only. Always seeing on mobile only. So how you will work out this condition? It's a complaint by many of the mothers of the new generation children. My son always playing with his mobile, spend time for that only, not interested in studying, not interested in playing. So concentrated his work on particular thing. That's a monomania. And the second rubric, that is thoughts persistent. Monomania, or the another rubric, thoughts persistent. Doctor, how to avoid late sleeping habits? The beautiful answer by the doctor: uninstall Facebook and Messenger. That we have to advise to our patients at least 1 hour before going to bed. Stop the activities in the mobile phone, laptop or video game, etc. So uninstall Facebook and Messenger and go to sleep. I cannot recall where the things are kept in my kitchen. That is my common problem. I cannot recall where the things are kept in my kitchen. So the rubric memory, weakness of memory objects for where he has put. Memory, weakness of memory objects for where he has put. So we have to select this type of specific rubrics, then we will definitely get the results. Never select the rubric mind, memory, weakness of memory. That contain more than 400 remedies. So select this type of specific rubrics, then we will definitely get the results. She behaves rudely to her husband, but she is very humble to others. She always behaving very rudely to her husband, but she is very humble to the neighbors and friends. So how you will work out this condition? Mind anger, husband towards, only towards husband she has anger. Mind anger, husband towards. If the parents read books, obviously the children will read the books. Rather, if we keep on looking into our mobile phone, they will do the same. So can you give a rubric for this situation? If the parents read books, obviously the children will read books. Rather, if we keep on looking into our mobile phone, they will do the same. Can you convert this situation into a rubric? The rubric in synthesis repertory, that is impressionable. Impressionable. Continuously asking questions to the doctors about one's disease to test the doctor's knowledge about it. He is always testing the doctors by asking some questions continuously. So can you suggest a rubric for this condition? Just think about it. Curious, training of the physician wants to know the. Wants to know the training of the physician. That rubric, that sub-rubric is there under the main rubric, curious. My son speak opposite of the words what he actually means. Something related to the learning disability. My son speaks opposite of the words what he actually means. The rubric, mind mistakes, speaking, reversing words. Reversing words. Always tells the truth openly, even if it hurt others. Can you suggest a rubric for this personality? Always tells the truth openly, even if it hurt others. Mind truth, telling the plain truth. That's one rubric. Then sensitive, want of sensitiveness. That's another rubric. Mind is sensitive, want of sensitiveness. Or you can work out the more precise rubric. Truth, telling the plain truth. I always dream of my efforts getting failed. Constantly dreaming my efforts getting failed. The rubric that is there in the chapter, dreams, unsuccessful efforts. Dreams, unsuccessful efforts. I frequently dream an elephant coming to kill me. I frequently dream that an elephant coming to kill me. That rubric, the related rubric, mind dreams elephants, murder him, coming to. That beautiful rubric is there only in Complete Repertory by Roger Van Zandvoort. Mind dreams elephants, murder him, coming to. And another rubric in the chapter, dreams of Synthesis Repertory, dreams elephant. Dreams elephant. I do not like somebody advising me. I do not like somebody advising me. Which rubric you will work out for this condition? That rubric is there even in Kent's Repertory. Admonition aggravates. Admonition means gentle advice. Gentle advice aggravates, especially the gentle advice by the teachers or by the elderly people or by the parents. That aggravates. I do not like somebody advising me. My husband does everything neatly and in an orderly way. Whenever he cannot do so, he will become angry. My husband does everything neatly and in an orderly way. Whenever he cannot do so, he will become angry. Can you suggest a rubric? Ritualistic behavior, that's a rubric for that. And the second related rubric, disorder sensitive to. Disorder sensitive to. So the apt rubric, that is ritualistic behavior. I get afraid while speaking to my boss. I always get afraid while speaking to my boss. The rubric, ailments from anxiety. Ailments from anxiety. Say that there is no pain, even if the disease is very painful. He is like that in all the matters. Always saying opposite. Says that there is no pain, even if there is the disease is of a severe and very painful in nature. He is like that in all the matters. The two rubrics related, one, contradictory symptoms, mind contradictory symptoms, and generalities, painlessness of complaints usually painful. That rubric is even in Kent's Repertory. Painlessness of complaints usually painful, or you can take mind contradictory symptoms. After the death of my mother, my life has become meaningless. Suppose a patient explaining like this, how you can work out? After the death of my mother, my life has become meaningless. The rubric in that case, that is bereavement. Bereavement is a rubric. That rubric is there in Synthesis Repertory. After getting admitted to the new school, I really miss my old friends. After getting admitted to the new school, I really miss my old friends. The rubric in that case, desolate. Desolate means loneliness after someone you love died or left. Loneliness after someone you love died or left. So we have to select the exact rubric like this, then only we will get the correct remedy. Doctor, we cannot predict what my husband would say. He is such a person. Doctor, we cannot predict what my husband would say in the next moment. He is such a person. The two rubrics related to that condition, abrupt, and the second one, mood changeable. Mood changeable. Abrupt, that's usually harsh also. Unexpectedly sudden, that's the meaning of abrupt. Then another rubric, mood changeable. Can you identify this personality? It is very easy to identify. So that is individualization, individualizing feature of Mahatma Gandhi. Can you suggest a rubric for this personality, this type of personality? Always doing right, thinking about the difficulties of others, sacrificing everything for others. The rubric for Mahatma Gandhi, the rubric is conscientious. Conscientious, that rubric is there even in Kent's repertory. Conscientious. If something bad happens somewhere in the world, she will be so sad for a few days. That has happened somewhere else, in other countries, or to some other people not related to her, but she will so sad for a few days. How you will work out this beautiful situation? Rubric is there even in Kent's repertory. Mind horrible things, sad stories affect her profoundly. Horrible things, sad stories affect her profoundly. The child answers to the question sharply and swiftly to the questions. The child answers sharply and swiftly to the questions. Which rubric is suitable for this type of children? His very answers very fastly, sharply and swiftly to the questions. Agility mental, that's a rubric. Agility mental. He abuses the child whenever he gets angry. The father abuses the child whenever he gets angry. Can you suggest a rubric for this condition? The rubric for the father, abusive, that's a rubric. Cannot adjust with the people of husband's home even after many years of marriage. Even after many years of marriage, it is very difficult to adjust with the father-in-law, sister-in-law or mother-in-law. Even after many years of studying in a homeopathy medical college, he found it very difficult to adjust with the homeopathy. Usually the students might have some problem in the first BHMS, but after a few years, they will adjust to the situation. They will study properly and become good homeopathy doctors. But this type of children or people, they found it very difficult to adapt to the situations even after many years. So the rubric in that condition, adaptability loss of, the most appropriate rubric, failure of adaptability loss of, and discontent, that means always dissatisfied with everything. Dressed up very elegantly and luxuriously. Can you suggest a rubric? Dressed up very elegantly and luxuriously. The rubric, elegance. Feels no pleasure in sexual intercourse. Feels no pleasure in sexual intercourse. No orgasm, a type of indifference. The rubric, cohesion, enjoyment, absent. This rubric is there both in the male and female chapter. Cohesion, enjoyment, absent. He always behaves in a rude way. always behaves in a rude way. Can you suggest a rubric? Two rubrics are there, impolite, and the second one, insolence. Insolent, rude without respect, insolence, and impolite. Child gets hurt easily, even at slight mockery. The child at school or at home gets hurt easily, even at slight mockery. The rubric, mind offended easily, children in. There is a sub-rubric, children offended easily. He thinks everything scientifically only. He thinks everything scientifically. The rubric, thinking, analytical thinking ability for. The mind chapter of the synthesis and complete repertory, thinking, analytical thinking ability for. He gets angry soon but will repent fast. He gets angry soon but will repent fast. The rubric, anger alternating with repentance quick. Anger alternating with repentance quick. I do not like to be touched by anyone while sleeping. The child or the lady do not like to be touched by anyone while sleeping. Touched, aversion to be sleep during. That rubric is there, the chapter mind. Touched, aversion to be sleep during. He hails from an affluent family but steals pencil, pen, etc. of his classmates. He hails from a rich family or affluent family, but a tendency to steal the pencil, pen, or the erasers of his classmates. How you will work out this condition? That rubric is there in Kent's repertory also. Kleptomania, tendency to steal trivial things, tendency to steal minor things. Mahatma Gandhi's character. He lives with much care and concern, making sure that he won't create any difficulty to others. Can you suggest a rubric for the Mahatma Gandhi's character? He lives with much care and concern, making sure that he won't create any difficulty to others. The rubric, conscientious about, conscientious or trifle set, conscientious, trifle set. Which rubric you will work out for Mother Teresa? She always involved in charity work. I don't have anything with me, still I would collect from others and give to those who are needy. I do not have anything with me, still I would collect from others and give to those who are needy. The rubric, that is benevolence. A rich person giving some 10 rupee or 50 rupees to a poor person, that is not benevolence. But I do not have anything else, anything with me. Still I would collect from others and give to those who are needy. That is a benevolence. And I am rich, I am giving 10 rupee to my neighbor or to the beggar, that is not benevolence. Benevolence means tendency to do charitable and generous act. Tendency to do charitable and generous act. Can you suggest a rubric for APJ Abdul Kalam? One who speaks with much confidence and encourage others. Just think about it. One who speaks with much confidence and encouraging others. Two rubrics are there. Ardent. They are enthusiastic, hardworking, influential personalities. Ardent. And similarly eloquent. They can speak with much confidence and encourage others. That is the meaning of eloquent. So ardent, enthusiastic, hardworking, influential personalities. And eloquent means they can speak with much confidence and encourage others. I had premarital relations and I continued them even after my marriage. Can you suggest a rubric for this person? I had premarital relations and I continued them even after my marriage. Two rubrics are there, that is mentioned in synthesis repertory and in complete repertory. First one, adulterous, mind adulterous. And second one, depravity, moral corruption. Depravity, moral corruption. And the third rubric, incest. That means the sexual relation with the relatives. Incest, close relatives. That is incest. Sexual intercourse with a family member. Can you suggest a rubric from adulterous depravity or incest? The rubric is incest. Sexual intercourse with the family members. I have been into this job since a long time. I am doing this job with the least satisfaction. I have been in this job since a long time but unsatisfied with this job even after many years. I am doing this job with least satisfaction. The rubric discontent, always dissatisfied. Alcohol helps you in making friends even if they are statues. Can you suggest a rubric for this type of personalities with alcoholism? The rubric is dipsomania. Dipsomania. That alcohol helps you to making friends even if they are statue. Dipsomania. I am being blamed for the fault of others. I am always being blamed for the faults of others. The rubric is scapegoat. That is there in the synthesis repertory. A person who is blamed for the mistakes and faults of others. A person who is blamed for the mistakes and faults of others. That's the meaning of the rubric scapegoat. I have fear of snake even in tall apartments. I have fear of snakes even in tall apartments. The rubric fear, fright, previous fright because of. And the second rubric, fear snakes. Two rubrics are there. First one, fear, fright, previous fright because of. And the second rubric, fear snakes. And the person checks many times before going to sleep. That is a symptom of the obsessive compulsive disorder, OCD or OCN. Checks the door, the locks, many times before going to sleep. There is a direct rubric in synthesis, Murphy's repertory, obsessive compulsive disorder. And the rubric in synthesis and complete repertory, that is thoughts compelling. Thoughts compelling or thoughts persistent. Compelling is more suitable. And the direct rubric is that is there in Murphy's repertory, obsessive compulsive disorder, the chapter mind. Child always eats soap. The child always eats soap. The rubric generalities, food and drinks, soap desire. Generals, food and drinks, soap desire. Whatever it is, I am not going to be not like this. Whatever it is, I am not going to be not like this. That means reproaching oneself. Wife and kids never obey me. Still I keep silent in order to avoid quarrel. Wife and kids never obey me. Wife always shouting at me. Still I keep silent in order to avoid a quarrel. The rubric quarreling aversion to. These are all something explained by our patients. So we can select the exact rubric, quarreling aversion to. He is very creative and does things differently. The child is very creative and does things differently. The rubric activity, desires activity, creative activity. Mind activity, sub-rubric desires activity, creative activity. Feel that others are inferior to him. Can you suggest a rubric? First one, egotism, overestimation of himself. Sub-rubric, overestimation of himself, egotism. And the second rubric, delusions, inferior, people seems mentally and physically. Others are mentally and physically inferior to me. That rubric is there under the rubric delusion. So, egotism, overestimation of himself, and the delusion, inferior, people seems mentally and physically inferior to him. My daughter-in-law gives me poisoned food and I get stomach complaints. That's a complaint by mother-in-law. My daughter-in-law gives me poisoned food and I get stomach complaints. So, the rubric for that type of thoughts, delusion, poisoned being. Delusion, poisoned being. I feel happy to see something unfortunate happening to others. I feel so happy to see something unfortunate happening to others. The rubrics, mind malicious. That's one rubric. Mind malicious. Second rubric, envy, happy seeing other people. Then another rubric in the chapter, mind, joy, misfortune of others. Joy on the misfortune of others. And another rubric, sadness, happy on seeing others. These are all some rubrics related to this condition. Sadness, happy on seeing others. Never smiles, always sits serious while visiting the clinic. The child or the adult never smiles, always sits serious in our clinic. The rubric, mind smiling never, children in, serious children, discontent or soberness. These are all some rubrics related to this condition. In the chapter, mind smiling never, children in, child never smiles. Then another rubric, serious children, they are always serious. Then it may be because of discontent, dissatisfied. Another rubric is soberness. Felt better while taking medicines, but disease recurred when medicines were stopped. This is a complaint by many of the patients. Felt better while taking medicines. Doctor, your medicine is good, but complaints recurred when medicines were stopped. A usual complaint of few patients. So which rubric you will work out for this type of patients? Doctor, your medicine is good and I got some relief, but once the medicine stopped, the complaints again recurred. For that personalities, we can take the rubric, medicine, desire to swallow large doses. They always want medicine in large doses. So that's why we are giving medicines in 5 grain BT or 3 grain BT in repeated doses, in blank tablets. Medicine, desire to swallow large doses. Can you identify this dress? Yes, that is of Mother Teresa. We already discussed the rubric for this condition. Benevolence. My question, can you suggest a rubric for the exact opposite condition of benevolence? The exact opposite condition of benevolence. Benevolence means tendency to do charitable and generous act. Even though I have nothing in my hand, I will collect from others and give to the needy people. That is benevolence. But desire to possess something which belongs to the others. Desire to possess something which belongs to others, that is a rubric, covetous. That is the exact opposite of benevolence. Covetous, C-O-V-E-T-O-U-S. Always concerned about his clothes and appearance. The lady or the child or the girl always concerned about his clothes and appearance. The exact rubric for that condition, that is foppish. They are not interested in studying. They are not interested in work, but only their body, their clothes, their appearance. So the rubric that is there in synthesis repertory, that is foppish. I avoid those who won't accept my opinions. I am always avoiding those who won't accept my opinions. Avoid my students or avoid my colleagues. Those who won't accept my opinions. Can you give a rubric for that condition? Just think about it. The exact rubric is snub. That is there in synthesis repertory. Avoiding those who won't accept my opinions or suggestions. Though I have written the exam well, I am getting more tensed as the date of the result is approaching. Though I have written the exam well, I am getting more tensed as the date of the result is approaching. It's a simple rubric. Can you suggest a rubric for this condition? The rubric is anticipation. Anticipation, anxiety usually for a good thing. Anxiety at the time of marriage ceremony or on the result day, even though I have written the exam very well. That is anticipation. He behaved badly to me. I hate him. He behaved badly to me. So I hate him. Resentment. That is one rubric. Resentment. Another rubric. Hatred. Persons offended him. Hatred of person who? Hatred. Person offended him. Hatred of person who? These are the two rubrics that may be suitable in this condition. Sudden uncontrollable fear. Sudden uncontrollable fear. Which rubric is there? Whether it is anxiety, fear or anticipation. So the rubric in that case, that is panic. Sudden uncontrollable fear. Child cries from fright every night. Every night child cries at night because of fright. The rubric pavor nocturnus. Pavor nocturnus. And the second one, fear, terror, night children in. Mind fear, terror, night children. These are all the two rubrics for the child who cries always at every night because of fright. Acts as if he has profound knowledge in everything. He is always saying like this. I have a good knowledge, profound knowledge in repertory or in materia medica or practice of medicine. I have learned a lot. I have learned a lot. He is always saying like that. Act as if he has profound knowledge in everything. The rubric in synthesis repertory, pedant. Pedant. That means ostentatious. Ostentatious about his knowledge. Act as if he has profound knowledge in everything. I have learned a lot. He's always saying like that. I have a good knowledge in repertory than any other personality, or good knowledge in organ of medicine than any other personality. So ostentatious about his knowledge, to show off, that is pedant. Burning religious text in fire, to show that he is an atheist. He burns religious text in order to show that he is an atheist. The rubric perfidious. Perfidious, that's a rubric for that condition. Keep on complaining impatiently. The patient always complaining about the doctor or about the treatment or about the disease, or the child is always complaining impatiently. So for that personality, the rubric is not impatient but petulant. Keep on complaining impatiently. So the exact rubric for that condition is petulant. He is not at all interested to speak. The lady or the children is not at all interested to speak. That means they are always speaking less. The rubric taciturn. Rubric for that condition is taciturn. They are always speaking less and not at all interested to speak. She hardly get food to eat. But when she got some food, she offered some to the photographer. But when she got some food, she offered some to the photographer. Can you suggest a rubric for this condition? The rubric is kind. One rubric is there. Another rubric, generous to strangers. Generous to strangers. These are all the two rubrics we can work out in this condition. The child has close attachment to the mother, and that creates mental tension in him. The child has close attachment to the mother, and that creates mental tension. Some personality problem, according to Freud. The rubric mother fixation. Some similar rubrics are there in synthesis repertory, that is Oedipus complex or mother complex. So the exact rubric is mother fixation, that is there in synthesis repertory. Want to cuddle with mother always. wants to hold with mother always. The rubric held, desire to be held. Held, desire to be held. Whenever I am tensed, I get extremely tired and have diarrhea. So that means anxiety with physical sufferings such as tremor, trembling, diarrhea or perspiration. Whenever I am get tensed, I always get some physical symptoms like diarrhea or perspiration or tremor or trembling. So can you suggest an exact rubric for that condition? That is not anxiety, not anticipation, not panic, but the exact rubric is anguish. That means anxiety with physical sufferings. That is the meaning of anguish. Son is too involved in his studies that he won't even hear when called. Son is too involved in his studies that he won't even hear when called. That means the mind is directed towards one problem. That is why he is not reading what is going around him. So the exact rubric for that condition is absorbed. Absorbed is an intellectual mental rubric. They are not reading what is going around them because they are always concentrated in one thing. This rubric may be worked out for the intellectual persons, the scientist, or the children too involved in his studies that he won't even hear when called. She always takes humors negatively and gets hurt easily. It is very difficult to cut jokes with her. She always takes humors negatively and gets hurt easily. So the rubric that we already discussed, that is offended easily. Offended easily. I hate the people of other communities or other religion or other caste. The entire caste or the people of that particular religion. I hate not only a single person but hate the entire community or caste. The rubric misanthropy. Misanthropy, hatred of an entire group or a community or a caste. If that is applicable to an individual, then the rubric is hatred. But in this case, that is applicable to the entire community, the caste or religion. Doctor, please give me some strong medicines. He is always complaining like this. Doctor, please increase the strong or the strength of your dose or the potency of your medicine. Please give me some strong medicines. The patient always telling like this. Then the rubric in synthesis repertory, medicine desire to swallow large doses of. That we have to take. The main remedy is cactus. Desire to swallow large doses of. We will get lot of mental symptoms simply by listening to the patient. Then we have to convert that into the language of the repertory or the materia medicum. Feel so happy after eating food. I am so happy after eating some food. Eating ameliorates, that is one rubric. Then cheerful eating after, that's another rubric. Then another rubric in complete repertory, comfort sensation eating after. I feel somewhat more comfortable or happy eating after food. So comfort sensation eating after, or the cheerful eating after, or eating ameliorates. These are the three rubrics related to that particular situation. Cannot think or understand anything after eating food. Cannot think or understand anything or read anything after eating food. How will you work out that? It's very simple. In the chapter Mind, Confusion, Eating After. Another rubric, Dullness, Eating After. Mind, dullness, eating after, or the mind confusion, eating after. Understand the questions only if it is repeated. The child or the person understand the questions only if it is repeated. The rubric dullness, understand does not, questions addressed to her, repetition only after. She will understand only after a repetition. Otherwise it is very difficult to understand to that type of patients. The child does not give answer to the question. Is not interested in answering. The child does not give answer to the question. Aversion answering to. This type of children, they will not answer to our questions in our clinic. or in the classroom, answering aversion to. A colleague spoke to her badly. She threatened and scolded him on the spot. How you will work out a rubric for this situation? A colleague spoke to her badly. She threatened and scolded him on the spot. For that type of personalities, the rubric injustice cannot support. Injustice cannot support. My neighbor died of a disease. I have the same disease, I think. Whatever disease he hears about, feels he will get the same. Whatever disease he hears about or she hears about, feels he will get the same. And this situation is very common in our clinical practice. Can you give a rubric for this condition? My neighbor died of a disease. I have the same disease. I am always thinking that I also have thought my neighbor died of cancer of the throat. I have some pain in throat. I may also have the same cancer. So the rubrics, delusion, disease, every disease he has. And another rubric, that is hypochondriac. The most appropriate rubric, delusion, disease, every disease he has. And the another one, hypochondriac. Whenever he is ill, he holds his mother. The child always holding mother whenever he is ill. That's a common complaint by some mothers. Whenever she is sick, she always holding the mother. The rubric, clinging children sick when. So you have to select the exact rubric, then we will get the 100% result. Clinging, that's the main rubric, children in sick when. Always cuddles with the mother. Always cuddles with the mother. Do not go anybody else. Always holding the mother. Do not go anybody else. Clinging child, cling to the mother. Another rubric is mother fixation. Mother fixation. These are the two rubric related. One is mother fixation and the second one, the child always clinging to the mother. Do not go to anybody else. Can you suggest a rubric for this condition? The grandma, she is cleaning the fish and the child asking lot of questions even about the father and mother of that particular fish. Who is the father of this fish or who is the grandmother of this fish, like that. Can you suggest a rubric for this condition? The rubric is inquisitive. Inquisitive, INQUISITIVE. Inquisitive, curiosity, but curiosity of a negative aspect. I am afraid as well as lazy to do anything new. I am afraid as well as lazy to do anything new. I may do the routine activities, but I cannot take anything new. The rubric, fear undertakes anything unfamiliar. The rubric, mind, fear undertakes anything unfamiliar. And another rubric, fear undertakes new things. Undertakes new things. Then laziness, new ideas with aversion for. That's another rubric. Laziness for new ideas with aversion for. So I am afraid as well as lazy to do anything new. Then laziness, routine, not wanting to depart from the usual. That's another rubric. I can do the routine work but not wanting to depart from the usual work because of laziness. So these are all the 4 rubrics related to this particular personality. I am always doing great things for others. He always thinking like that. I am always doing great thing for others. My contribution is great to the society, or my contribution is great to the homeopathic community, like that. Which rubric will work out for this condition? Deeds, great deeds, sensation as if he could do. Deeds, great deeds, sensation as if he could do. Child always says that he is better than others. Child is always saying that he is better than others. The rubric, delusions, better than others, he is. The rubric for that particular child, mind delusion, better than others, he is. Child shrieks and screams in sleep. Child shrieks and screams in sleep. The rubric, mind shrieking, children in sleep during dreams from disturbing. Because of the disturbing dreams, child shrieks during sleep. I do not like to wear light clothes. I don't like to wear tight clothes. The rubric, generalities, clothes tight to and clothing, pressure of clothing aggravates. Clothing, pressure of clothing aggravates, and the generalities, clothes tight to. Feels weak after a dream. I felt weakness after a dream. The rubric, generalities, weakness, dream after a. Generalities, weakness, dream after. Then having the same dreams repeatedly. I get the same dreams every night. Which rubric will work out for this condition? I get the same dreams every night. The rubric, dreams repeating. Dreams repeating. I am always tensed about the plight of my family after my death. I am always tensed about my family, especially after my death. The plight of my family after my death. Two rubrics related, anxiety others for and mind anxiety family about his. Mind anxiety family about his, then mind anxiety others for. Moves around freely during the lockdown, feeling that he won't be affected with the corona. Moves around freely during lockdown, feeling that he won't get affected with the corona. Which rubric will work out for this type of personalities? Two rubrics are there. One is defiant, daring boldness. Then audacity, that's a negative boldness. Audacity means negative boldness and defiant means a daring boldness. These are all the two rubrics that may be related to this condition. He has no respect for elders. The child or the lady has no respect, or the newly married girl has no respect for the elders, for the mother-in-law or for the father-in-law. Which rubric will work out for that type of personality? The rubric is insolent. That means a lack of respect. Child interfering into mother's conversation with someone. The mother is talking with the neighbor, but child always interfering. That's his common habit. He will interfere whenever the mother talk to any other person. Always interfering into mother's conversation with someone. The rubric, meddlesome. Children disturbing parents when they are conversing. Meddlesome means interfering in others' matters which may not concern him. So there is a beautiful sub-rubric. Children disturbing parents when they are conversing. Students in a strike to bring a matter into the attention of the principal. Students or a public in a strike to bring a matter into the attention of the authorities. The rubric, agitation. Inviting public attention in a cause or controversial matter. That's the meaning of agitation. Inviting public attention in a cause or a controversial matter. Can you suggest a rubric for this condition? Earlier, my mother in childhood. And later, your mother. Which rubric will work out for this mother? Can you give a rubric for the mother? Rubric is forsaken. Forsaken, feeling of being left alone. Feeling of being left alone, even though she has children. So that's a rubric in that situation. Asking unwanted questions in the class to prove the teacher's ignorance. The child asking unwanted questions in the class or during a public seminar. One of the audience always asking some unwanted questions in order to prove the speaker's ignorance or in order to test the knowledge of the speaker. The rubric is inquisitive. That means curiosity of a negative aspect. That is exact rubric for this condition. She is always indulged in the works for the house, but nothing gets completed. She is always doing work at home, but nothing gets completed. Can you suggest a rubric for this condition? Just think about it. Industrious. Industrious means workaholic, but the net results are fruitless in many instances. Always working, but the net results are fruitless. In the classroom, he answers to the teacher without standing up. In the classroom, he answers to the teacher without standing up. He is bold, but that is a negative boldness. He is bold, but that is a negative boldness. So, which rubric will work out for the negative boldness? The rubric is audacity. Audacity. Never cares about his dressing, put on whatever he finds. That lady or the teacher or the student has not caring about his or her dressing, puts on whatever he finds. That means tastelessness in dressing. There is a direct rubric. Mind tastelessness in dressing. Then another condition. He wastes time and keeps texting unnecessarily. He wastes his time. The mother always complaining like this. He always wasting time and keep texting unnecessarily. That means the time fritters away. Fritters away means wasting the time. Time fritters away. He has the quality of a leader. Can you suggest a rubric? That rubric is there in synthesis repertory. He has the quality of a leader. Lead type personality, alpha, beta and gamma. 3 sub-rubrics are there. Lead type personality. A freak man with any morality. A freak man without any morality. That rubric is there even in cancer repertory. The rubric is libertinism. Libertinism. He is mentally tired due to sadness. She is mentally tired due to sadness. The rubric sadness, weakness with. Mind sadness, weakness with. I am so sad that I am obese. Sadness about her obesity. I am so sad that I am obese. That is why she is not going for any functions, not going out, not going for the marriage ceremony. The rubric sadness, obesity with. See, we have to take this type of exact rubrics while listening to the conversation with the patient. Sadness, obesity with. He always picks up his fingertips. He always picks up his fingertips. Mother complained like this. So the rubric mind gestures, makes fingers picking at the fingertips. That rubric is under the main rubric. Gestures makes fingers picking at fingertips. He is too lazy to begin to study, but once started he will do it very well. My son is too lazy to start study, but once started he will do it well. Can you give a rubric for that condition? My son is too lazy, but once started studying he will do it very well. Laziness started, but works well after having. But works well after having. So select this type of specific sub-rubrics. Always watches horror movies. Can you suggest a rubric for this type of personalities? She is always watching horror movies, or the child is always watching horror movies only. 2 rubrics are there. One rubric, that is a cruelty, that you can generalize. Then another rubric, mind horror movies loves for. Mind horror movies loves for. He does not like the film with the horror character. He does not like films with the horror characters. The rubric cruelty. Children cannot bear to see cruelty at the movies. That rubric is there in Murphy's repertory. Murphy's repertory. Cruelty in the chapter mind. Children cannot bear to see cruelty at the movies. Then another rubric in complete repertory and synthesis repertory, mind, cruelty, brutality, inhumanity. Children cannot bear to see cruelty in cinema. Children cannot bear to see cruelty in cinema. Then another condition, he gets angry for little things. He will trifles at the other vehicles in the traffic. Even in the traffic, he gets angry for little things and he will trifles at the other vehicles in the traffic. Can you suggest a rubric? Simple. Irritability trifles from. Irritability on least things. Anger trafficking. That's another rubric. She always get angry in a traffic. Anger trafficking. I feel that I cannot breathe well. I feel that I cannot breathe well. This is a type of delusion nowadays due to the corona pandemic. Delusion, breath, cannot breathe. Delusion, breath, cannot breathe. Extreme sense of guilt feeling that he did something wrong. Extreme sense of guilt feeling that he did something wrong. How you will work out this condition? Thoughts tormenting. Another rubric is remorse. Thoughts tormenting and another one remorse. The frequent doubt whether what I did was right torments me continuously. There is a frequent doubt whether what I did was right or wrong, that torments me continuously. That rubric we already discussed, that is conscientious trifles about. Conscientious trifles about. Always thinking about the right and wrong while doing anything. Always wish to be appreciated by others. If they are not appreciating me, I felt sad. Always wish to be appreciated by others. Longing good opinion of others. This rubric is there even in cancer repertory. Longing for good opinion of others. The lady wears a lot of jewels when she comes to the clinic. Even while coming to the clinic, she wears a lot of jewels. Can you suggest a rubric? Just think about it. Jewelry desire to wear. That is one rubric. Jewelry desire to wear. Another rubric is vanity. And for the male, the related rubric is foppish. Foppish. Always thinking about the dress and appearance. So these are the three rubrics related to that condition. He always helps his friend who are in trouble. That person always helps his friends who are in trouble. Loyal relationship in. That may be the suitable rubric in that case. Loyal relationship in. The child cries whenever he is asked to study. Otherwise he is okay. Whenever he is asked to study, the child cries. That's a common condition explained by the mothers. Some related rubrics are mental exertion aversion to, mind, work, mental aversion to study. That rubric is there in complete repertory. The chapter mind, work, mental aversion to study. Then mind, study, general aversion to. In Murphy's repertory there is a rubric. Study, general aversion to. And in complete repertory another rubric, education aversion to. Education aversion to. Otherwise he is okay. Whenever the child, whenever he is asked to study, the child cries. So these are all some rubrics, specific rubrics related to this condition. Playing with the snake despite the knowledge that it might bite. The adult or the child playing with the snake or some deadly things despite the knowledge that it might bite. The rubrics, fearless danger in spite of. That is one rubric. Fearless danger in spite of. Danger, desire to be exposed to be unprotected. When at risk he feels relieved. When at risk he feels relieved. Danger, desire to be exposed to be unprotected. These are the two rubrics related to that condition. He said that he is courageous, but in reality he is not. Can you suggest a rubric from cancer repertory? He said that he is courageous, but in reality he is not. courageous. The rubric cowardice, cowardice. His ideas are utopian and impractical. It is very difficult to implement. His ideas are utopian and impractical. Please give a rubric for this condition. The rubric is there in synthesis repertory, that is idealistic. Idealistic. It is very difficult to implement, impractical and utopian ideas. The cock say he has lot of talents and skill. The cock practitioner says that he has lot of talents and skill. The rubric, that is charlatan. He has the ability to speak well and mingle with anybody. Certain type of people are like this. Ability to speak well and mingle with even with the strangers within seconds or within minutes. Three related rubrics are communicative, ability to communicate, sociability and expansive. These are all the three rubrics for this type of personality. Ability to speak well, influence others or mingle with anybody easily within minutes or within seconds. Communicative, sociability, expansive. Another personality speaks very less. Can you suggest a rubric from Ken's repertory? Speaks very less. The rubric is taciturn. Taciturn. Husband, you are upset from the last few days. What happened? Husband asking to the wife, you are upset from the last few days. What happened? Wife, there is a folder in your laptop with the name My Documents. You could have named it Our Documents. You don't care for me anymore. I hate you. Can you suggest a rubric for this condition? There is a folder in your laptop with the name My Documents. You could have named it Our Documents. You don't care for me anymore. I hate you. That's a complaint. Give some rubric for this condition, please. The two rubrics, suspicious and another one, possessiveness. Possessiveness. She is very much afraid of sharing his love with others. Possessiveness. Interfering in others' matters and create unwanted problems. That person always interfering with the neighbors or their matters and creates unwanted problems. Rubric, meddlesome. Interfering in others' matters which may not concern him. That is the meaning of meddlesome. An extreme form of superiority complex. Which rubric will you quote for the extreme superiority complex? The most important rubric is arrogant, followed by conceit. The rubric for extreme superiority complex. A type of person who does not accept anything religious or moral. He is not accepting anything religious or moral. Which rubric will work out for this condition? The rubric is nihilistic. Nihilistic. That is a rubric for this condition. Feel satisfied while getting oneself physically hurt during sexual intercourse. He or she satisfied while getting oneself physically hurt during sexual intercourse. The rubric is there in synthesis repertory, that is masochism. Masochism. She has one and only desire to give birth to offspring. That is the only desire for her. Not interested in studying, not interested in getting a job, not interested in achieving anything for the community. She has only one and only desire, that is to give birth to offsprings. Which rubric will work out? This rubric is available only in synthesis repertory. Maternal instinct exaggerated. Maternal instinct exaggerated. Her one and only desire, give birth to child and nurture them. Can do almost all necessary paperwork. Can do almost all paperworks or the repair works at home. Can do almost all necessary paperworks or repair works at home. The rubric, handyman. That rubric is there only in synthesis repertory, handyman. Humble towards superior officers but very rude towards inferiors. Humble towards superior officers but very rude towards inferiors. The rubric in from Ken's repertory, hard for inferiors and kind for superiors. hard for inferiors, and kind for superiors. Husbands won't give any gift even for the wedding anniversary. He is not giving any gift even for the wedding anniversary. That is a complaint by the wife. Gift, husband not giving. There is a direct rubric in synthesis repertory. Mind, gift, husband not giving. Child refuses to get his hair cut. Child refuses to get his hair cut. The rubric, hair cut, having hair refuses children. The chapter mind, hair cut, having hair refuse children. Take neighbors to court even for petty things. He's always complaining about the neighbors or about the friends or the relatives and giving petition in the police station or taking them to court. The rubric litigious. Litigious. That's a rubric given in Kent's repertory and synthesis or Murphy's repertory. I have 2 girl children. My husband do not have any prospective vision. He does not save money. He leads a disorderly life. That's a complaint about the husband by the wife. Which rubric will work out for this husband? I have 2 girl children. My husband do not have any prospective vision. He does not save money. He leads a disorderly life. Not caring the family, not saving anything. So the exact rubric for this condition, that is improvident. Improvident. That's a rubric for this condition. Feels that others are always talking about her. Feels that others are always talking about her. This rubric is there in Kent's repertory. Delusion, talking, friends are talking about. Delusions, talking, friends are talking about. Another rubric, delusion, talking, people talk about her. These are all the 2 rubrics related to these conditions. So we have discussed a lot of interesting clinical situation and lot of interesting rubrics. We request you to give your valuable reviews, suggestions and additions under this video, or you can WhatsApp me at 9249 337799. My email ID is similima@yahoo.com. So please subscribe to our channel youtube.com/drmansoorali for more videos like this, and please visit our Facebook page also, Homeopathy Homeobook. That is our Facebook page. So the part 3 of this analyzing symptoms and selecting rubrics will be available soon in the YouTube. Please be with us. So thank you for your patience listening. Please visit our website, thehomeobook.com. That means everything on homeopathy. So that's all for the time being. Thank you.